Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making buttermilk biscuits. I wanted to make breakfast sandwiches today, and I thought some of you might not have bread at this point, so biscuits are a good vessel for breakfast sandwiches. So let me show you how I do them. Okay, so things are going to be a little noisy in the back because I am preheating my oven. You'll want to start preheating your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I will be adding 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And no, these are not sweet. That's just to balance flavors. Okay, I also have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Gonna give that a good mix. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 stick of cold butter. This is 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've just cut into pieces. I know some people like to freeze the stick of butter and grate it. It does incorporate better. Now I'm just going to use my dough cutter here and just integrate and cut in the butter to the flour. Doing this, you could also use 2 butter knives or just kind of crumble it with your hands if that's all you have. But this step is important because it allows you to incorporate the butter and not overwork your dough. You want to end up with a soft, tender dough. Okay, so that is a crumbly texture that is mixed in well. Now I am going to add 8 fluid ounces or 1 cup of buttermilk right into the bowl. And I'm just sort of going to mix this gently. I'm not going to vigorously mix it. Once you start going crazy with the mixing, you will toughen up your biscuit dough. So I'm just going to sort of fold this in. I have folded this, so what I'm going to do now, before I make a mess here, I'm going to dust my work surface with some extra flour. So I'm going to turn that right out onto my floured surface. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Just gently roll it. And I'm not going to overwork this. That's the whole point of this. So kind of roll it out, press it out. I'm going to fold it. And that's it. And then from that point, you're going to press it out or roll it out into a circular or square rectangular work surface to start cutting out your biscuits. Okay, so I have a sort of square circular situation going here. And this is probably at somewhere between a little over a 1/2 inch thick. When I do biscuits, I'm sorry guys, it's not, I don't do a perfect, you know what, that's just gonna have to go there. But kind of go close to the edge and just press down. And give it a small little twist. And there's your first biscuit. I'm going to repeat the process and place them on my buttered cast iron skillet. Okay, so leftover dough. I'm not going to overwork it, so just kind of press that gently into a biscuit, and that'll be, it's not going to be perfect, but that'll do. Okay, so this one's going to be very interesting, but again, just sort of pat it and tap it together without overworking your dough. And that's it. I've utilized all of my dough. So here are 8 of my medium to large biscuits. If you cut these smaller, you probably could get 12. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take 2 extra tablespoons of buttermilk, and I am going to brush the tops of these. Okay. This is going in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until my biscuits have cooked, baked, risen, and the tops are golden brown. I'm actually going to put some butter on these, just a little bit. Yeah, that's hot. But take a look at that. Completely tender and soft and buttery on the inside. You could add butter and jam to this, some honey. It's just, the possibilities are endless. I love these biscuits. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.